Alright guys, so I got it cranked up from yesterday. I set up this top portion of the Kaspa mining rig and everything's working pretty good except one of the cards I had to remove it, which was the A2000 card. Seemed like the A2000 card, this motherboard isn't picking it up for some reason, so I had to remove it. But that's okay though. So far all of this together has about 20 graphic cards. I still have to add one here and about 3 more on the bottom there. Okay, so it would be 12 and 12. Okay, right, something like that. Okay, so I'm just missing 4 graphic cards for this rig, this part of the rig to be complete. I mean, I could have moved it from got some graphic cards from here, but these are all 3060s, and I just kind of want to just keep all the 3060s in one machine, and the other ones are 1660 Supers. But I don't know if I'm going to buy any more 1660 Supers. I'm not 100% sure because anything could happen, you know. But so far, these are all 1660 Supers. What I did with that A2000 card, I moved it to one of my CPU mining rigs, which is mining, what is it? I forgot. Whatever, a CPU coin. Okay, mineable coin. But I put it over here, the A2000, and it works perfectly, you know, directly onto there. But for some reason, on that board, when I use a riser, it's not picking it up. I'm probably got to do some adjustment in some setting or something like that, but I'm not 100% sure, you know. So I just, you know, just removed it really quick. But as far as the other ones, I shut these off, all of these CPUs off, because I'm consuming so much power right now. So I got this CPU mining rig running right now, and got this machine over here running, the 3060s. That's probably wasting about, who knows, I think it's like 800 watts because I cranked it up. Probably less on this algorithm, on the Kaspa algorithm. I believe it's less. It might be like 600 watts, not 800 like it says there, because that was before Kaspa. So this one over here is sucking up a lot of juice because I got this set here. This power supply here, it's running, I believe, the top ones, GPUs, and this one's running the bottom one. Same thing as that. So pretty much I got 4 power supplies here, 2 running there, you know, which is pretty much tapped out, I think, and wattage, and same thing over there. Might be, might not be, might be just a little bit of room. But then I got these bad boys cranked up over here, which are mining Ethereum Classic on a mineable and being converted to Dogecoin. So I just got this one in, which was yesterday. This one has 400 mega hash. These seem to get a little more warmer than this one. This is cool. These are a bit warm for some reason. This one keeps it nice and cool. This one was expensive. It was $1,000 for that one. But these were about $600. I got 2 on eBay for like about $500. So that was a pretty good deal currently. And I got these guys running, you know, on unmineable, mining Ethereum Classic being converted to Dogecoin. So this is tapped out over here. I can't plug anything else there. It's pretty much, I believe, 80% raw on there. So that socket is done. This one might be done on this side. I'm not sure. It might be some room there as well as that one. You know, that's just the way I just temporarily plugged it in for now. You know, and this one, since I shut all of these off, you know, I got this one plugged in here. So, you know, and it just got that one CPU one mining there. That's pretty much it for these guys. And the price on Kaspa went down just a little bit. You know, that's expected because a lot of people that already mined it, let's say a year ago, they're gonna be taking profits. But I expect Kaspa to do really well, so I got these cranked up. You know, I don't want to like shut them down. I just want to keep on getting as much Kaspa as I can because I cannot purchase Kaspa because I'm in New York. So if I was, I mean, there's probably a way I could do it, you know, using a VPN or whatever, but I don't know how to, you know, be able to transfer it into my Kaspa wallet and stuff like that. It's just, I don't want to get stuck and try to do it and purchase them and I can't move them out of that you know, that the other place, you know. But because there aren't too many exchanges, so I don't want to try to purchase it like that on another exchange, and I can't move it to my wallet. It's just going to be too much. I just don't want to take that kind of a risk, you know. Probably try a few bucks, but you know, so that's the reason why I'm actually mining Kaspa. If not, I would have just bought like 1 million Kaspa right now and just held on to that, and probably wouldn't be mining Kaspa, you know. Maybe a little bit, maybe, you know. But right now, I'm just really going gung-ho on Kaspa and mining the hell out of it, you know, as much as I can. You know, I probably would be mining Ethereum Classic being converted to Dogecoin because I really want to get my numbers up on Dogecoin or something like that, you know. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I'm doing right now, you know. And another thing is, a mineable did list the algorithm, the Kaspa algorithm on their site. Okay, I did request it. I sent them an email and said, hey, why don't you guys get Kaspa, whatever. They replied back and they said that they sent it over to the dev team on their end, you know. So now, you know, that was like about 2 weeks ago. So now this week, I mean, well, yesterday, I saw that a mineable has now added the algorithm, the Kaspa algorithm, which is forgot. But anyway, the Kaspa algorithm, K-heavy hash, whatever, something like that, K-heavy. So they added it, but the only thing is that they didn't add the coin yet. If they add the coin, the Kaspa coin, I'm just going to switch these over from being converted to Dogecoin to Kaspa coin. I will do that for a little while, you know. So I was hoping that they would be offering Kaspa coin, you know. But it is a stepping stone anyway. At least they were able to have that algorithm ready. I mean, running, you know, and to mine Kaspa and use that algorithm, you know, because it's a profitable algorithm right now. And hopefully they'll have the coin, and I'll switch those over to Kaspa coin temporarily so I can mine some of that Kaspa coin as much as possible. And that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later on the next one. Peace!